Okay, our next video is how to graph the square root graph. So our clue is the square root symbol, so it's nice because it's a pretty clear indication of what kind of graph it is. A square root graph, what it is if we took a parabola on its side, but we only kept half of it. So we're only keeping either the upper half, so we'd have a square root graph that looks like this, or the lower half, we have a square root graph like this. Alright, first we're going to get our locator point in the same way that we've gotten it on the other graphs. So -1, -3. Okay, and from there we need another guiding point. We're looking at our traveling distance of 2. So like we did on the other graphs, we're going to move over 1. And then our traveling distance tells us to move up or down. Since it's positive, we're going to move up 2. And there's our second point. Okay, so we had a point here and here. There is our square root graph. Okay, looking at our next equation, we are going to get our locator point first. -4 for opposite and same 1. Okay, so there is our locator point. My traveling distance is -1/2. So a negative means I'm going to go downward, so I go over 1. That's not part of the equation, that's just what we do on parent graphs, over 1. And then the traveling distance tells me that I'm going to go down 1/2. And I can't do it super clearly on here. I'm going to try to get down, see what I can do. Yep, that looks about right. So down 1/2. And then again, think about that parabola. We are keeping just the bottom section of it, so if that helps with your shape. Okay, I'm going to go here to black. Here's my point, and then the blue point. There's my parabola. Actually, I'm going to try that again. Make it come down. There we go. Okay, so we don't want this as our final answer, but we could think about how this would be the parabola there.